What's good YouTube, Ben here. Welcome to the next video on the channel. In this one, I'm going to give you a tutorial on Ubuntu/Debian versions of Linux on how to install GIMP. Let's get into this. Alright, so for those who don't know what GIMP is a free photo editor. It's like the original Linux version of Photoshop. It's a great photo editing tool, one of the favorites I still use across Linux and Windows because it's just really freaking good at what it does. But this is just a basic tutorial on how to install it on pretty much any Ubuntu or /Debian version of Linux. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go ahead and grab your terminal. So that's Windows and T, if you're on a Windows keyboard, of course, which will open up the terminal directly. Then you're going to want to put in these commands. So you want apt dash hash search, then space up arrow GIMP. And this is going to look for all the different repositories for GIMP. So this basically then searches for all these repositories before you do the install. Then you're going to want to go ahead and do sudo apt install GIMP. There we go, it's had to catch up. I'm running on a virtual machine, so it's a little bit slow on occasion. But you're going to want to put that command in, and it's going to give you this. Just hit enter, and that's going to start the main install for GIMP. However, there are a couple other bits we can do to quickly add a few more features to it, like a few certain plugins that you can get. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and add in plugin registry. So you want sudo apt install GIMP. Oh, I need to be able to type properly. Plugin registry. So that's going to search for the plugin registry. There we go. Hit enter. And that's going to install a few extra plugins into the GIMP repository so that now that GIMP is fully installed, it has a bunch of plugins installed. But again, this is a very quick, very basic tutorial. Hit application, search for GIMP. Oh, it's already there. GNU Image Manipulation Program. Or again, GIMP as it's most widely known. It's going to boot, which doesn't take too long. And there we go. We now have GIMP installed on our elementary OS. Because I'm using elementary OS, which is a fork of Ubuntu/Debian Linux. So again, this will work on any other ones like Zorin OS, Linux Mint, Ubuntu, any version of Ubuntu really. Pretty much any one that runs off Debian/Ubuntu, this command set will work for. And that basically gets you GIMP installed. Let me know of any other Ubuntu/Debian Linux tutorials you want to see in the comments down below, or maybe some on Arch. I do know a bit of Arch as well. Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget, I also live stream. I live stream on YouTube, Twitch, and TikTok. My streams here on YouTube are more in shorts form, so more for mobile. But if you want to catch the exact same streams at the exact same time in full 1080p, then go ahead and join me on Twitch and TikTok. Those links are down below. Don't forget to follow on TikTok because I do exclusive videos over there. And don't forget, you can also support the channel further by becoming a channel member from as little as 99 pence per month.